Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Dimitri, and here we have the UAZ 469. We have an awesome listing about this vehicle at the time of this video. It is available, and you should definitely check it out. We had a pleasure of taking it on the road. Today is a nice spring day. The roads are nice and dry, and there's a little bit of section of very mild off-roading. So we actually just took this out, and in a few seconds, we're gonna be sharing that footage. This is an amazing vehicle. It's once again reminded me how effortless off-roading could be in one of these. It's actually doing pretty good. Excellent handling. It is more comfortable than the G-Class. And we just came back. You can see there's a little bit of mud, not much. And since this is a showroom vehicle, it's amazingly clean. We're going to detail it again, put it back in the showroom. But our test drive in this vehicle was absolutely amazing. And you can see how very simple it is inside, and this vehicle is highly original, so definitely check that out if you've been on the market, not necessarily for UAZ, but maybe an older Land Rover, maybe a newer Land Rover, maybe a Discovery from the 90s, maybe an older Defenders, but this is an amazing alternative that is in ready-to-go condition. You don't need to do anything, just turn the key and go.